Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install ElementsKit in WordPress. ElementsKit is a powerful add-on that enhances your Elementor page builder with advanced widgets and features, making it easier to create professional-looking websites without any coding knowledge. To get started, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, open your web browser, and navigate to your website's login page. This is typically found by adding /wp-admin to the end of your domain name. Once you're there, enter your username and password to access the backend of your WordPress site. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find all the main menu options. Look for the option labeled Plugins and hover over it. A submenu will appear with several choices. From the submenu, click on Add New Plugin or Add Plugin depending on your WordPress version. This section is where you can browse and install new plugins to extend your site's functionality. Now you'll be on the plugin installation page. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you'll look for the specific plugin we need. Click into the search bar and type ElementsKit. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering the available plugins to match your search query. Once the search results populate, look through the plugins displayed until you find ElementsKit. It should appear near the top of the results with its distinctive logo. You'll see a button on the plugin card that says Install Now. Go ahead and click this button. WordPress will now download and install ElementsKit onto your website. This process usually takes just a few seconds. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will change to Activate. This is an important step because simply installing the plugin isn't enough. You need to activate it for it to start working on your site. Click the Activate button to enable ElementsKit. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated ElementsKit on your WordPress website. The plugin is now ready to use, and you can start exploring its extensive library of widgets and features to enhance your Elementor designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.